blue rings under eyes, obesity, lack of vital heat, medicine, Calcarea Arsenica। होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। मित्रों, नमस्कार। आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall know when to use medicine Calcarea Arsenica when we see blue rings under eyes in a patient. Medicine Calcarea Arsenica. Mind. Anxiety about the future, delirium in evening in the dark, dullness, sluggishness, difficulty of thinking and comprehending, sadness, mental depression, unconsciousness after exertion, vertigo. Vertigo before epilepsy, epileptic vertigo, vertigo as if floating, vertigo on turning or moving the head, sudden vertigo while walking in the open air. Vertigo while walking, sensation of gliding in the air as if feet did not touch the ground. Head sensitive to draught, congestion of the head before epilepsy, heat of head, heaviness of the head, heaviness of occiput, head pain at noon, head pain afternoon aggravation, head pain open air, mental exertion aggravates, head pain periodically every 7 days, head pain alternating from one to the other on side not lain on, burning headache, pressing in vertex, stitching pain in sides of forehead, stunning stupefying pain in the head, tearing pain in the occiput, mental exertion ameliorates, pulsating, beating, throbbing pain in head, pulsating in head while aggravated lying, eye dullness, pain in right eye, vision, letters run together, nose, catarrh, coryza, worse in morning, nose, fluent coryza, coryza with sleeplessness, crisps from posterior nerves, sneezing in the morning. Face, bluish circles around the eyes, face pale, lips dry, expression of suffering on face, heat of face during palpitation, itching of upper lip, tearing pain in upper and lower jaw, swelling under eyes, mouth, dryness of tongue, burning in tongue tip, watery saliva, taste alkaline, garlic-like, insipid, sour or loss of taste, teeth, periodical toothache every 7 days, teeth pain extending to the ear, throat, disposition to hawk, tenacious mucus in throat, burning pain in esophagus from eructations, roughness in throat, stomach, anxiety in the stomach, appetite wanting, desires alcoholic drinks, wine, desires cold drinks, liquid food, desires warm soups, distension of stomach, foul irritations, heaviness after eating, indigestion, nausea when sitting down, while sitting, pain in stomach after cold drinks, stitching pain on moving arms, thirst, stomach ulcers, abdomen distended, tympanitic, enlarged liver, liver enlarged in children, inguinal hernia, pain in the inguinal region as if a hernia would appear, pain in the inguinal region while sitting, inguinal region sore, glands of the inguinal region swollen, rectum, diarrhea after cold drinks, diarrhea from drinking water, diarrhea after sweet potatoes, itching in rectum, bladder, frequent urination, kidneys, Addison's disease, inflammation of kidneys with cardiac and hepatic affections, sore bruised pain in kidneys, urine, albuminous after abuse of alcohol, in pregnancy, urine albuminous consecutive to heart disease, urine scanty, genitalia male, pain in spermatic cords after exertion, after wine, nightly seminal emissions, genitalia female, menses scanty, prolapsus of uterus and vagina, prolapsus of vagina during pregnancy, larynx and trachea, dryness of larynx and trachea, tickling in larynx, voice lost before epilepsy, voice rough, respiration, anxious respiration, asthmatic respiration after midnight, respiration is difficult on ascending during palpitation, cough, racking cough, chest, constriction and pain in the heart before epilepsy, constriction in heart with urging to stool, fullness and oppression and pain in the chest and heart, burning pain in chest, jerking in heart, stitching sore pain in heart, palpitation before epilepsy, palpitation after excitement, mental or physical exertion aggravates palpitation, tumultuous, violent, vehement palpitation, shaking of chest during cough, backache extending in arms, back pain extends to lower extremities, backache in the dorsal and lumbar region, aching in the dorsal region between scapulae, aching in the lumbar region, aching in the sacrum extending into lower extremities, stitching, shooting in the back extending to arms and legs, extremities, coldness of hands, contraction of forearm, heaviness of lower limbs, heaviness of foot, lameness of shoulder in morning on waking, pain in left upper limbs before epilepsy, pain in left upper limbs after heart symptoms, with heart symptoms, pain in upper limbs before epileptic attack, pain in left hand before epileptic fit, stitching in wrist, tearing in lower limbs, restlessness of hand, Upper limbs are edematous, hand edematous, swelling of back of left hand, lower limbs dropsical, albuminuria, edematous swelling of foot, weakness of knee. Sleep, deep sleep in the morning, amorous dreams, dreams of the dead, frightful dreams, unremembered dreams, sleep restless, sleepiness in morning, noon and evening, sleeplessness at night after 3 a.m., sleep, frequent waking, yawning, chill, chill coldness in general, chill worse in the evening when in bed, fever in the afternoon, external heat with chilliness, perspiration at midnight after 3 a.m., desire for wine and alcoholic drinks, cold in general aggravates, convulsions at night, convulsions without consciousness, epileptic convulsions, aura from heart, dropsy external, cornmeal aggravates, turnips aggravate, lack of vital heat, obesity, orgasm of blood. Dose: medicine Calcarea Arsenica 30 potency 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water 2 times a day or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.